We are opening this gorgeous box that we've been dying to get our hands on. This is the new Skinvigorate Duo facial device by Mary Kay. Hi, I'm Shanna,
Hi, I'm Addie.
and we're just gonna open it up
Get
with you
into
guys.
it.
Yes. We're going to use both sides of this, the cleanser and the thermal heat that we're so excited about. So this is a dual action. It's like super powerful for your best skin experience. It features the soft silicone bristle.
Oh, it's shiny.
She's cute. This super cute, what, like matte baby pink?
Yes, I love it. Oh my gosh, I love
Is
it.
it fun? So there is a protective plastic film over the thermal. So the silicone is really great because you don't need any replacement heads ever, like a normal like bristle brush. The silicone, you just rinse it clean. It's got vibration technology that's clinically shown to effectively dislodge dirt, oil, and makeup, which is exciting. So, of course, first we use our Mary Kay eye makeup remover. It's got a conditioner for your lashes and it helps like the health of your lashes because you're not tugging and pulling to get rid of mascara and eye makeup. So we do still recommend to use this first, wipe away your mascara and eye makeup, and a pre-cleanse with micellar water. Absolutely, double cleansing is amazing. But then to use this and get like super clean, we're gonna try it.
Yep.
So we've got a little damp washcloth here. She is water resistant, but not waterproof. So something you can do like at your sink, but probably not in the shower. Obviously it is electric and it does, what else is in here?
There's more.
What else is in here, Addie? What else is in here?
Alrighty. So as you open up the second little surprise, there is a little cute stand.
That.
Isn't it so cute? So now you don't have to
Right.
worry about, keeping it on your, dirty bathroom counter. You can always keep it clean and sanitary by that cute little stand.
I love
I love
that.
that.
That's easy.
I love that.
That's easy. Super cute. And what else is in here?
And then just the little charging cable. So the little charging cable comes with it
Nice.
also.
So helpful. That is great. Okay, so is she charged already?
She is.
Is she?
Yes.
Okay.
Woo! She's charged.
We've got a booklet of info that, deal with later, but all right. So a little bit of moisture on the face. Ideally, you're splashing water on your face in your
Right.
bathroom sink.
Yep.
But I'm going to use our Voluform foaming cleanser. What you got, Addie?
I have the hydrating cleanser right here.
Beautiful. So do we put it just on our skin or straight on the brush? What do you think?
Truthfully, I'm sure you can do both. Truthfully, I'll probably just put a little bit on my skin first and start doing it. Ooh.
Do you hold the button down?
Yeah, you hold it. So when you want to turn it on, you press and hold it. And as you click it, it can get faster and faster.
Oh,
I don't know if you can hear that, but
I think it has 5 levels.
it does. Yes.
Oh my God. Oh, this feels nice.
I know it does. It really does.
So then it auto shuts off for a second so
Right.
that you can move it to a different part of your face every 15 seconds.
Yes, 15 seconds.
So if you want to divide your face like in a quarter, like forehead for 15 seconds, and then it does an auto shut off, and then move it to this
For
side.
optimal cleansing.
Yes. Definitely the nose, right?
Right.
The timer is nice. So you get like a nice even cleanse.
Yeah, I love timer.
That is super helpful.
Yeah, it really is.
Oh, this feels good.
It does.
You might not get me to stop doing this.
I know. Just do it.
This feels good. The neck needs a little
Yeah.
yeah.
Why not?
Need more water, but
Yeah.
oh, that's nice. Okay.
Yeah, like best case scenario, you can be at your sink and just like add more water and whatever you need, more cleanser.
Oh, that feels good. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, we're over cleansing, but it's fine.
We're fine. We're fine.
Oh,
It's
good.
fine.
So it just keeps going. So then you shut it
Yeah,
off.
you can shut it off.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah. I don't know if you can hear it, but it gets fast.
Oh.
Yeah.
And that's the lowest.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. So hold it to turn it off.
Yep. Hold it to turn it on and hold it to turn it off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Love. And then clicks to change
Clicks
speed.
to change.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Then you just like wipe clean. Or use, the water running in
Yeah,
your
the sink.
Oh, that's
We're
so
doing it
good.
kind of the complicated way today. Show you guys.
Oh, that's so good. Okay. I like that.
I can feel like
Yeah.
how clean my face is right now.
Right?
Like I can feel it. That's kind of crazy, actually. I can feel, and you can definitely know, like when you get it, you can feel that it's like your face is actually getting like massaged.
So clean.
Yeah, like massaged and also, cleansed at the same
it feels
time.
good. It
I
feels
know.
really good.
I know.
Luxurious.
Very.
It is like I have an electric toothbrush that I love.
Right.
I feel like it gets my teeth the cleanest feeling.
Yeah.
But then when I travel, I just use like a regular old
Oh,
toothbrush.
yeah.
It's not the same.
No, not at all.
I can't wait to get back to my toothbrush.
Yeah, not at all.
I go somewhere.
Not at all.
This is like the same thing. It's like the electric toothbrush for your face.
Right.
Oh God.
Literally.
So
I am
good.
loving it.
Okay, so that was nice.
I love that.
Okay.
We're probably gonna keep doing it off camera.
But then we've got this new experience I've never done.
I'm super excited for this, actually.
I've used a massage brush, but never a thermal.
Thermal. I'm really excited for this.
Okay, so what we're saying about this is that this takes your skincare routine to the next level with thermal massage, which is known to help temporarily dilate pores and support better product absorption. So we've got some product here. Let's do this niacinamide brightener that one of my friends told me about. I've never actually tried it. So she swears by this, especially using it at night. She wakes up with like this glowing skin. So we're going to go with that. It is like a liquid dropper. So do you want to try this one? So we'll just dab that on, right?
Yeah.
And then let the thermal move it all around.
Oh, it smells good.
Oh.
Yeah. It smells like a spa. Doesn't it?
It smells so good.
It smells like a spa.
Yeah, that is nice. Okay, so we've got the power, and then is this the thermal? Like, turn it on?
So there's a little button on top also. That's for the thermal.
So hold it, probably.
Yeah. So we're trying this out with you guys too. Maybe.
I did see someone say you're supposed to charge it before you get it. Like, we might have just got lucky with a little charge, and it might be dead now, but
it might be dead, but
it might be dead. Let's see. Yeah, we definitely want to charge it out of the box.
Okay.
Let's see. So apply facial oil or serum or moisturizer to your dry face. Turn on the device. Okay, first we turn it on to this desired vibration intensity. Then go ahead and press the.
okay. Seeing something happen.
Yeah. Then we press the warm function button to turn on the thermal massage function. So you can even use the intensities of
it is getting warmer.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I can feel it.
And carefully apply heating surface to face. Use gentle swiping or massaging motions. Avoid your eyeballs and your hairline. After we're done, we're going to power off the device, rinse it, and allow it to air dry. Or you could use a towel to dry it, but suitable for daily use. Oh, it's nice and warm.
It is.
Oh, do not submerge it in water. Don't get the charging port wet here at the bottom. Okay. Don't clean it with water above 120 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Please don't.
Don't burn it.
Don't burn it.
Turn it off before you wash this. Turn it off. Don't put it under the water on.
It is getting,
okay.
that is like warm.
That's so good. So those are your safety tips. This is so good. Okay. You can do this with multiple serums. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Do you love it?
I love it. I really do.
Do you love it? Okay. I'm going to use this one too. So we love the brightener. This is our favorite lifting serum. This for the jawline, right? I'm going to put it right on there. See what happens.
And also you can truthfully use this with truthfully nothing. I mean, it feels great. Like regardless, it feels amazing. But if you're looking for that, if you put moisturizer on or, like the tightening serum and you feel like it's not, getting deep enough into your skin, this is definitely.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Well, even getting a massage, you're going to use a massage oil, right? So you want some kind of
something
oil. But I love that you can use any of the serums, like our vitamin C plus E serum. That's amazing. Yeah. The lifting serum, any of our 4 different dermacosmetics clinical solution boosters. We've got a brightener, a hydrator, fine lines and wrinkles, resurfacer. So any of those skincare concerns can be met.
That smells so good.
Yeah.
It smells so good. And also so I'm 25 and I'm using the tightening serum. I'm using it all, right? You can literally use it all starting, really as young as you want to. Seriously. Get an early start.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, I love it. That's nice.
Oh, it's so nice.
Must have.
Yes. Truthfully, I think so. Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
This definitely has to be a very big part of skincare.
I love it.
And I love you can feel it working. Yes. Like as you're using it, you can feel it working. I love it.
I do. So now that we worked out the kinks for you, turn it on first, then massage. Okay, so let's see the different speeds. Oh. Oh, wow. That is nice.
Yeah.
You're going to find me putting the kids to bed and then
there you go.
Having this. Laying in bed with this for 20 minutes.
Yeah, right. Truthfully, it's relaxing
it's
too.
So good.
With the warm, it's
so good.
So relaxing.
I love it.
And that serum smells so good. Wow, it smells good.
We just upped our bougie level, I think.
Oh, unfortunately, I think so too.
I love it. So yeah, I can do multiple serums. We use 2. Love it. Okay. Oh, so good. I know. You want to keep it?
Yes.
So
this will be definitely a daily use for me from now on. Nice. This is amazing. I do have very sensitive skin. I've always had sensitive skin since I was a baby. And, I was a little bit nervous about this because I was different types of, materials and stuff like that. But truthfully, this is amazing. It really is truly amazing. No irritation, no nothing. The bristles are so soft. Yeah. It's they're not harsh at all. And then the warming sensation on the back is, it's, I don't even know what to say about it. It's just not good. You gotta try it yourself.
I
This
love it.
is amazing.
Yes. Okay. This is so good. All right, you guys, sorry.
Dust.
All right.
Don't mind us. Just
Okay, you've got to reach
enjoying.
out to your Mary Kay beauty consultant and
Yes.
get one of these. If you're one of our customers, we can get this for you
Yeah.
right now. I love this. I love this. Okay, we have one last step. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off.
I know.
Oh, I'm keeping her.
I know, it's great.
But always use a moisturizer to end your skincare routine. I'm going to use the Time Wise antioxidant moisturizer for normal to dry skin.
I'm gonna be using the crema facial hydrate right here. And I did order this too because I tried it and I absolutely fell in love with
It's
it.
coming. It's coming.
It's on the way.
The way.
I am obsessed with how it makes your skin look, how it feels. It's so soft and moisturizing. It's incredible.
I love. And all the skincare down the neck, the décolleté, and the backs of your hands always. How's your face feel?
Oh my gosh. It feels amazing.
I love
it. Feels amazing. And this is also great prep for makeup too. So if you're looking for like a flawless, silky skin, look, all of these things are must have because truthfully, I don't think my skin has looked this good in a while, truthfully.
You're glowing.
I know. I feel like I'm glowing. It's amazing. Look how shiny my forehead is. Like, look at that. All thanks to Mary Kay.
Glowing.
All thanks to Mary Kay.
I love it.
Oh, I love it.
Beautiful. Okay, get you one. Get you one of these ASAP.
Yes.
And we'll see you soon.